and welcome to video 2. In the last video, we learned some important vocabulary when we talk about our family. This video, I'm going to put those words into a speech and talk about my family. Now, this speech doesn't have to be long. I'm going to try and get about a minute talking about my family, and I'm going to try and use all of the words from the last lesson. I want you to listen to my speech, and I want you to remember whether or not I actually say the words from the last lesson. Let's have a look and see how I go. In regards to my family, I would say that I have quite a small immediate family. Just my grandparents, well, my grandmother, my grandfather passed away 2 years ago, so he's deceased. But my grandmother, my mother, I've never met my father, so I don't really know my paternal side of the family, but I have 2 siblings, 2 sisters, and then I'm also married, so I have a wife. Like I said, I don't know my paternal side of the family, so I don't really have a very large extended family either. So I only know my maternal side. So I have some uncles and aunts, and I have a lot of cousins. So that's it. That's my family. Thanks. Okay, so that was a speech about my family. I think I used all of the words from the first video. In the next video, you are going to make a speech. But don't worry, I'm going to give you some time to prepare and I will talk you through it. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Hi, and welcome to video 3 of day 1 of our fluency course. In the last video, you saw me make a speech about my family. In this video, I want you to make a speech about your family. Now, the speech doesn't have to go for long. A minute, 30 seconds is fine. I want you to try and use at least 4 of the words from today's topic. Take as much time as you need to prepare for your speech. When you're speaking, if you say or any other kind of interjection, I want you to stop and start again. Remember, if you're speaking for a minute and you make 5 mistakes and you have to start again and speak, then you're only going to have to speak for 5 minutes. It's not a long time. So just keep on going. If you make a mistake, stop, start again, say it again, say it again, say it again. Eventually you will get it. Practice makes perfect. So once this video stops, I want you to start to prepare. Then when you're ready, I want you to try and record yourself. Use your video on your camera or even some kind of voice recording is fine. And I want you to keep a record. Is fine, and I want you to keep a record. At the end of the course, I want you to come back to that video and compare. I guarantee you've got improvements. So, after the video stops, prepare. Prepare for as long as you want, and then make your own video of you talking about your family. Good luck.